everyone, welcome to ORing channel. Today's new product highlight is about ORing's newly released wireless access point. Wireless equipment has been increasingly adopted into various industrial networking applications. ORing now released a series of compact size and cost-effective models for both indoor and outdoor solution seekers. The series of access point consists of IAP 420 and IAP 420 Plus. You can tell the difference from our naming rules. Let's take IAP 420 Plus for example. It stands for DIN Rail Access Point compliant with IEEE 802.11, B and G and N with two 10-100 Ethernet port with PoE. And for IAP W series, W here initials for waterproof on behalf of higher level of water and dust protection to protect the device against external influences. In compliance with IEEE 802.11b and G and N, our IAP 420 and 420 Plus come with small form factor to facilitate installation in environments with limited spaces. With wide operating temperature ranging from -10 to 60 degrees, our two 10-100 Ethernet port can be powered by Ethernet cable to save troubles in installing cables in harsh environments. Our IAP 420 and 420 Plus also support dual power input as redundant power supply when necessary. Our waterproof series IAP W420 Plus, IAP W422 Plus, IAP W520 Plus, and IAP W522 Plus are all equipped with IP67 waterproof casing with wide operating temperature ranging from -20 to 70 degrees. To see more difference among the models, let's take a closer look at the comparison chart. Hi Bruce, thank you for coming today.
Hello, Ava.
Would you please introduce the concept of MIMO for all of us today?
Okay, no problem. Good day, everyone. My name is Bruce. Today, I'll introduce some brief concept of MIMO technology to you. Nowadays, wireless communication completely changed our living styles. We use cellular phone, wireless data communication by mobile devices like laptop and tablet. For example, like 3G, 4G or LTE, WiMAX technologies are used for mobile application, and IEEE 802.11n and IEEE 802.11ac for Wi-Fi application. Therefore, the requirement of higher data rate and better signal quality become more and more important today. Researchers spend all their lives to develop and research technologies to improve it, and the list won't stop. But how to achieve that? We may need to start from the essential concept of wireless communication. Basically, there must be transmitters and receivers to establish the wireless connection. Traditionally, it's one-to-one communication, so one side is transmitter and the other side is receiver. Theoretically, they can communicate with each other perfectly without problem. But in the real world, it's not possible to have this kind of ideal environment. There are so many interference and multipass effects that weaken the wireless connection. How to avoid it? One of the important technology on the transmitter side is OFDM, which stands for orthogonal frequency division multiplexing. Before the data sent out from the transmitter, we divided the data into several subcarrier and subgroup, and use several narrowband subcarrier frequencies to carry those data. But in real world, a lot of interference existed on frequency domain. So this methodology can assign different amount of data on each subcarrier frequencies. When interference is detected, This assignment can be changed dynamically. This is why the data rate of wireless connection may vary. Another technology on the receiver side to get better signal quality is antenna diversity. We just do it by increasing the number of receivers. This picture shows how it works. For example, there is one transmitter and two receivers. Both of the two receivers can receive the signal from the transmitter. What receivers need to do is to measure the signal quality and make a decision which receiver should provide the data. The decision is not always keep the same, but change rapidly. This technology plays an important role in MIMO communication. Now, we have solution on better signal quality, but how to get higher data rate? The basic concept is to apply more communication connections. This sounds simple, but actually it's difficult. If more than one transmitters transmit at the same time, it will cause serious interference problems. So the new technologies to make it possible are special multiplexing and beamforming. Please remember the disadvantages of the communication effect in the real world, multipath, which is also called delay spread. This gives us an idea to solve it. We need to make it possible. The key is the antenna diversity and the beamforming. The mechanism for beamforming is there are multiple transmitters and multiple receivers. The receiver will decide to co-work as a pair with one of the transmitter. Then the signal goes from the specific transmitter and sends the data to the corresponding receiver. This gives better quality and also saves the power. MIMO is doing it in this way to build more communication pairs. Also can say spatial streaming. Therefore, the data rate is increased without extra bandwidth. This is what we need. You can see some Wi-Fi devices marked in 2x2, 2x3, or 3x3 wireless connection devices. They are talking about the number of transmitters and the receivers respectively. They are all with MIMO technology. But always remember the key parameter in the number of spatial streaming, or called transmitters. It is related to the data rate directly. That's the introduction of MIMO technology, and I hope it gives some basic ideas about wireless communication to you today. Thank you.
Thank you, Bruce.
Thank you, Alva.
ORing provides a wide range of wireless products that is supported by a team of marketing specialists and technical staff to provide top-notch and real-time services. For more product information, please visit our official website at www.oring-networking.com, email us at sales@oring-networking.com, or contact our regional distributors for more product information, because ORing is all you need. Thank you for watching ORing channel. We'll see you next time. Bye.